Alright guys, we're gonna get out of here, little cat. Get! We're gonna pull Sal's C out front. Get out of here. Get going, both of you. Get going now. Go. Go on now. You get up on the porch. I put you up there a while ago. Now you stay up there. Alright, guys. Alright. Get moving before they come back. I just realized Sal's got a different brake lock on his than we have on our other one. Okay, buddy. This one is not power steering. No! Get! Little cat! Get going! Get! Get going, cat! Get! Dumb little shit. Not. Get out of there, little cat! Now, daggone you! You better get going. Oh. I'm gonna whip your butt, little cat. Now, again. Now get. Now stay there. It acts like it's getting that thing that the other one has. The head. Just almost there, you know. All right, guys. Try it again here. All right, here we go. Okay, I'm going to slow this up. I meant to slow it down, not kill it. Clutch needs adjusted on this. It does. Clutch needs adjusted on this baby. Alright, here we go. Let's try again. I'm going to swing you real wide here, bud. Perfect. Sal's doing perfect. That's pulling with his D14. It'll pull a lot. Cut it sharp, Sal. Cut it sharp. Keep her cut. Cut it, buddy. A little more. Perfect. We got a dry day, guys. We're trying to get his C out here and get it dried out. I know it's full of water, the coil and everything else. I'm not sure what, but I'm going to get it out here in the bright. And Sal's doing perfect. He's turned into a pretty good operator this summer. Okay, buddy, you can hit your brake. Perfect job, Sal. So we're going to leave both these hooked up together and get out of here with this for now. And we got some other stuff to do. And Sal did perfect job, son. Good job. You got to be a pretty good operator this summer. You're growing. No, you can just leave it on. Yeah, we'll need it later. Yeah, it said it's not going to rain till sometime tonight, but they're not usually too correct, so who knows? I don't know if we need to cover your stack on this, probably. Just in case. See, Sal's got two of the nicest looking tractors we got. He surely does. So, all right, guys, that's another one down we got done. you know, when you get a week of rain, kind of gets you stacked up on stuff you need to do. And of course, we're getting towards the end of the year, so we'll see. I need to try to break your starter loose on this yet. And I also need to go pull the metal off the end of the barn. Yep, and that's it. When we get this apart, hopefully, when we get this starter apart, hopefully we can get to the gear in here and get that spud bar on it and try to turn it and find out what exactly is going on here. I mean, I don't know. The guy told me it'd run, there was no problem, but I didn't believe him, and I was correct not to believe him, because I've been soaking this tractor for a month and a half or so, you know, in them 2 cylinders. I soaked the whole thing, but soaking them 2 cylinders just because they seem to be the worst. So we're going to spray a little PB Blaster in these other 2 that we didn't do, guys. 3 and 4, and then it's good stuff to have around. I don't keep it around. I usually buy them little dinky cans from Dollar Tree of their stuff, and they just don't last. So let's spray that down in there. There we go. Get some down that cylinder. There we go. That should be enough, because it's been soaked. I mean, hopefully I didn't get that all over the lens on this camera. So Sal's 12, and I noticed the last month or 2 this summer he's made some really good adjustments, and I guess maybe it's that time, you know, maybe it's that time in life for him. And I know it's a perfect time for me, because I could surely use the help. I could surely use the help. And I never really wanted to ride him about working. I just have not. But it's getting to the point where there's so much going on here all the time now, I can use the added help. Yeah, that's a fact, folks. That's a fact. So, all right, that's it for this part of this day. So you guys come on after a bit. I'm going to stop this video here, folks. I am going to come back and fill this with slime and pump the air up and drive it. So y'all come on back.